A wise person once told me, if you want to run fast, you'll run alone. If you want to run far, run together. Americans rightly believe manufacturing is our heritage. Ford, the Wright brothers, Edison, Eastman. Our legacy is ingenuity and steel. Our future should be ingenuity and, well, everything. Optimation has been a shining example of American manufacturing for nearly 40 years, designing and building in the same spirit as the greats who came before. But while we were growing, much of our treasured domestic manufacturing landscape was fading. Today, everything changes. Optimation announces that we choose to run with the best. We choose to change the future of American manufacturing. We announce our acquisition by Rebuild Manufacturing. As of today, Rebuild is made up of 7 world-class manufacturing companies on a combined mission to bring home our manufacturing power, with leadership like Jeff Wilke, former CEO of Amazon Worldwide Consumer, and a C-suite of manufacturing expertise in Miles Arno, Michael Foley, and Gordon O'Brien. Rebuild is singularly positioned to be a catalyst in the reshoring of critical manufacturing to the United States. Today is a day to celebrate. In the race to be first in manufacturing, Optimation has partnered to reach the top.